23, 22, 21, 20. Hello everybody. So today is New Year's Eve. So we're in the last hours of 2016 and it is actually like 8:30 in the evening. So we are starting this late, but that's because I had work this afternoon. But yeah, so we've had our food. See, Tammy went and bought pizzas from the supermarket for us. And then she made them. And now we're gonna get ready and then we're gonna head down to the quayside to watch the fireworks at midnight and enjoy the atmosphere. And as I was walking from town on my way home from work, there was already atmosphere and the city was already buzzing, so it should be good. It is going to be manically busy down there and there is a slight chance of rain this evening. Of course, it is the UK, what else would it be doing? But yeah, I thought I would vlog it because it could be quite cool. We're gonna get ready and then walk on down. So we're heading down to the quayside. We're just walking. Look, well, technically we're on the quayside because there's the river. But yes, it is raining, hence the hood, which has become deformed from its travels from New Zealand. Tammy and I clash horribly. What a surprise. Red and pink. We're heading down there to the Millennium Bridge and such to watch all the fireworks and stuff. And apparently it's meant to be like really busy down here on New Year's Eve, but oh well. We're just waiting for the fireworks. We're back by the we're back by the river. We were just in the Soggy and lettuce and we had some well, I had mocktails and she had 2 cocktails. So yeah, there's a few people like gathering down here now. There's a few people on the Millennium Bridge, but you can't see because it's down there. And we're just here. We think this is going to be a good spot to do it, but like the boat, the like fire boat thing is like out and the fire engines come over there just, you know, in case of emergency. So we're just waiting. It's 20 past 11 now. Let the countdown begin.
Still can't believe at the end of the year is really
40 minutes until 2017, even though it's already 2017 in
New Zealand,
Australia, and a really large portion of the world at this point.
South Africa right now.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ten, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Should old acquaintance be forgotten never brought to mind? Should old acquaintance be forgot and all lang syne? For all lang syne, my dear, for all lang syne, we'll take a cup of kindness yet for all lang syne.
sea of people around us. But yeah, we're heading back towards the general vicinity of home, and it is still raining. But you know that the rain is symbolism of cleansing and cleaning and bringing new life. So I think it's a really good way to start the new year, right? Here we go. Very right. 2017. What adventures will you bring us?
Happy New Year.
Yeah, Happy New Year. 2016 has been an interesting year with a lot of stuff happening, good and bad for everybody.
Yeah.
I wanted to say thank you to everybody who I've met up here in the northeast for welcoming me and us, yeah, to the northeast of England, even if it's only for a short time more. We wanted to wish everybody a very happy new year. Hope that 2017 brings lots of adventures and opportunities, and that you have an amazing time. And I know that at least I've got a lot of things planned for this year, so there's going to be some exciting videos and stuff. I hope everybody had a Merry Christmas and that you have an amazing New Year, whatever it throws at you. Remember to always be positive, and that everything happens for a reason, even if you don't believe it at that time. Everything happens for a reason. There is no such thing as a coincidence, and we will see you guys in 2017. But until then,
Today?
yes. But until then, remember to explore all you see, laugh out loud, and live your dreams. Okay.
Bye.
Bye. Mwah.